What I'm going to say is portable pressure cooker. I'm going to give it a quick test before we can try it in the fields because we can't get out at the moment, of course. So there we go. Bit unique, something different. Box over there like that, and it lifts up. And that releases the lid. Push it forward, that forces the lid down even more. Turn the lid sideways, pop it out. Safety valve, safety valve, safety valve. Give it a quick clean and then we'll crack on. Tot of oil. Oop. Swede, I just seem to think it just takes on the flavour of anything you put it with. It seems to soak it up. So, okay. Meat in next to brown off. Carattere. Flash of water. Potato cubed. Pill barley. Good dollop. Mustard brings out the flavour of the meat. Don't forget to lick the spoon. Pink Himalayan salt. Black pepper. A really good pinch of herbes Provence. Pop all the veg in. You only want to fill it 3/4. Oh, drop that. Drop that. It's only for 2 of us anyway. Top up with some more water. Just so it's covering, I'm just going to that much. There we go. So the water is at boiling point at, 100 centigrade. In a pressure cooker, it takes the heat up inside with steam up to 212, so that means it cooks a lot quicker. Right, let's pop the lid on, and then once it's ready, I think it's about 40 minutes for meat, for beef. So it goes in sideways, like so, and then you line it up. These 2 clips clip on the sides. See if you can see that. Let's zoom out a little bit. There we go. So you lift it up. That's halfway, that clips it in. Then when you do it the rest, it actually pulls the lid up, folds it into, and there's a seal, there's a silicone sealant around the outside. So that's okay. So that's sealed now. Gas is on. What we on there? I don't know. I say quarter gas. We'll leave it like that. All right. Yeah, I can read you a bit about it. So that if you remember when we were kids, well, when I was a kid anyway, Mum used to have a pressure cooker, and as soon as it started hissing, I think it was about 20 minutes, depending what you were cooking, and it used to make a hell of a racket. So we'll see what this one does. Okay, so you may use any kind of cleaner. Why am I reading it to you? You can know what to do. Product to prevent scratching, a detergent, and so it prevents the accumulation of lime. Don't leave any water in the product. Okay. Induction capsule bottom. I think it's got 2 layers. Mirror polished outer surface. Double safety system. Working valve. Safety valve. Do not rub your wire. Do not rub your pot with wire. Do not leave your pot on a fire or weather without water. Read instructions. I've done that. And there we go. So this thing come out. It's called Home Perfect. And Simon, the bloke in the woods. Sorry, you don't mind me saying your name, Simon. I know you quite like your channel's quite good. He's got one he bought, which is an aluminium one. Not keen on aluminium. at all. But it was a perfect pressure cooker, but it was £147, £127, not too sure. This is £17.99. So this is for us poor buggers. Anyway, so we'll see what happens. So she started to steam. Let's have a look. There you go. So I'll put the timer on, I think, for 50 minutes, 40 minutes. So that valve has just shut up into that opening. It must be right, so I'm going to walk away. I'll let you know. I'm going to put the timer on. I'm going to put 45 minutes. And we'll come back in 45 minutes. Okay, so when this piece here, it sits low, when the pressure builds up, this shoots up and looks into this plastic hole here. That locks the handle so you cannot open the lid. And this, see, that tells you when you're under pressure. Okay, so that's working perfectly. So we'll leave it 40 minutes. Yeah, and let's see what happens. See, it smells lovely actually, but we'll do a taste test. All right, 10 minutes to go. No leaks around the side or anything. Pretty impressive so far. Okay, so I can smell a slight bit of burning, so I'm going to take it off the heat. I was wrong, there's still 15 minutes to go, so I'll let this calm down and smell it. Yeah, it's burning, so whether I didn't put enough water in or I got the heat too high. Anyway, we'll see when I open it up. So you can let the pressure out a bit by just touching the valve. I presume when the pressure drops enough, that safety lock will drop. Definitely smell burnt. Oh well, we'll see. First time. Okay. There we go. Leave that like that. That's dropped. So now it's safe to lift the lid up because the safety lock has dropped. Okay, do you want to see? It's probably all squashed at the bottom in a great big mush. Shall we have a look? That's not too bad. There we go. So all the way. Oh, ow, ow. Actually, it's not bad. Look, you see that? It's a bit, because I've got steam on the lens, but let me have a quick look. It's only on the edges. Okay, that's a piece of meat. Yeah, there's not enough water in there, look. Can you see? It's quite dry. Leave that a taste here, see if it's tender. Yeah. Yeah. Right, time to serve him. Oh. 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 Pearl barley stuck to the bottom a bit as well. Definitely needs more moisture. I'm going to give Jane the... It's not really that bad actually. Look at the meat. Look at that. It's all cooked, but I'm going to show you because I'm not going to hide anything. A little bit burnt at the bottom. So whether the pearl barley had something to do with it, I don't know. It tastes alright, apart from the burnt. Actually, burnt pearl barley tastes quite nice. Yeah, looks good. See what Jane thinks. So I'll pop it back on the heat, put some water in it, let it simmer for a little bit. All in all, I like it. I'm impressed. And for, was it 14? I'll have a look in the description and I'll put it down below. Either $14.99 or $17.99, I can't remember. Jane's giving it a test. What do you think? Can you taste the burnt?
No.
You can't. I'll put a bit of sauce on it. So we didn't have enough water in it.
Needs a bit more water.
Needs more water. Yeah. But I mean, it's the first time I've not used one before.
Oh, not lately.
Not for
years ago.
Hundreds of years at least.
50.
But all right. There we go. So Ooh, I got a thumbs up from Jane. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. I'll put a link in the description down below where you can buy this from and the price as well. Was it a flop? No, it worked. It's fine.
To do it outside though, didn't
I did, yeah, but we can't. There we go. All right, take care. See you the next one. Bye.